soaked down in there. I just bought some. I just bought the same brand rotor and pads. Those are ceramic pads with, of course, the drilled and slotted front rotors. And I just ordered some rears. Same company, Nakamochi. For the rear, got the whole set of rotors and ceramic pads for $70. So, and most likely if you go to Advance or CarQuest, your rotors are going to be like $39 a piece. So $39 a piece, and then another $30 for the pads. And they're just going to be standard. They're not going to be slotted. All right, let's see. What time here? Okay, well, didn't want to have to use the pickle, but I don't have to worry about keeping the. Wow. Yeah. Boy, is that in there? That should just pop loose. Ah. Oh. Okay, no more. That's why. Ah. I was hitting the bottom of the dam. Ah. No, I was hitting the bottom of the thing that holds your vacuum seal. Alright, so there you go. You see, I got a brand new bearing on there. And the suckers roll right off there. And hopefully it's the same. Might be the same brand. Same brand of tierod. Alright, so get the new one and install it. Okay, we just went from drone flying to back to doing the tierod, because the wife went to town with the tie rods in the back. Okay, sweet. Good. This is CarQuest brand. They're 30. No receipt. Very bad. You better stay dry. Ooh, lay down. Lay down, buddy. Yeah, man. Lay down. They're like $34 a piece. Wrong one. Alright, let's get this back on here. Compare them to the other one. It's industrial plastic. Awesome. It is greasable. A little kit, grease fitting, castle nut. Yeah, you can put a new one of those on here if you want. To. The dirty. All right. Let's look at this. It's in the same length. You see the comparison. And they're identical in the length. You got no problem. You can go clockwise on, and then you got to go counterclockwise to tighten the nut. Remember, you're facing backwards. So when you get it as tight or as close, there you go. So that's almost the whole. It's almost the whole turn out. That's where you're gonna be. Okay. Turn it here a little bit. Put your castle nut on and tighten it up. You want to make sure you put your grease fitting in there. I got it. One here. Alright, good. I need one under there. I got another one here. I had a issue with this. There we go. Nuts. We're using the thread. Something happened with the threads on this bar. I can't get a grease fitting in it. Oh, I can't get a grease fitting in that. Not happy. Let's see. You want that one? Both same size? The Irish going by. Okay. Yeah, we'll put that. Hey, it's smaller than that. Holy cow. Okay. Smaller than that one. Probably 7. There it is. Alright. Always buy greasable if you can. I'm gonna leave that open for a minute because I'm gonna try. See if I can get that to start. Actually started. I'm impressed.